They have cut all of these trees yesterday. That's where we were at yesterday. This is where all the trees have felled. This entire area. Can you hear? Chainsaws? They're still cutting.
कुछ नहीं हो पाएगा। मैडम प्लीज वेट, ये आ रहे हैं, मेरा लीगल राइट है यहाँ पे रहने का। मैम लेट आप को नीचे आए, लिखो दे प्लीज, लिखो दे। You do not have permission. You bloody murderer. You don't have permission.
गाडी पकडवायची गुन्हा नोंदवणार आतमध्ये चर्चा करायला परवानगी नाही, आपण बाहेर यायचंय, आतमध्ये चर्चा करायला परवानगी नाही। बैठेंगे यहाँ पे, बैठेंगे यहाँ पे।
चिल्ली कर दे सर। वीडियो कॉलिंग।
बोलल्याशिवाय काय होणार आहे का? असं काय करणार? चला
सांगितल्याप्रमाणे आपण आदेशाचं पालन करायचं, आपण बाहेर चर्चा करूया।
चला चला पुढे चला।
आम्ही काय केलं का? बोलायला सांगितलं ना,
महिला बंधू
चला प्लीज।
बाहेर चर्चा करायची, बाहेर
हे बाबू, हे बेटा, हे बाबू
प्रश्न आहे
चलो 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 प्लीज, चला 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 चलो प्लीज, चलो 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 हे बाबू, हे चल 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 बाबू, चलो चल चलो 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 प्लीज प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट है।
बाहेर 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 मोबाईल बाहेर, मोबाईल बाहेर करा, मोबाईल पडला आम्ही जबाबदार राहणार आहे, बाहेर घ्या चला। आतमध्ये चिकन सगळा मोबाईल वगैरे तुम्ही तुमचा जपायचा आहे, परत आमच्यावरती येणार नाही सगळं।
सगळे तुम्हीच केलंय, सगळे तुम्हीच केलंय, का तुमच्यावरती येणार नाही?
सर्वांनी पोलीस स्टेशनला यायचं, पोलीस स्टेशन
नाही येणार, नाही येणार।
सगळ्यांनी यायचं तिकडे।
ईश्वर
कहाँ जाए? तुम्ही बाहेर यायला सांगितलं, बाहेर आलात, आता पुढे घरी घेऊन जातायत का तुमच्या?
Madam, now you listen to me. I listen to you.
You didn't listen to us, sir. Please, sir. You backstab. You backstab. You let us in your police van and not the culprits. सर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, हम साइड पे खड़े हैं, आप लोग ज्यादा नंबर्स में हो, हम नहीं है फिलहाल. You are on the road, we are not on the roads, we are by the sides, on the mud. Don't show unnecessary power, sir. Please, this doesn't look good on a democracy. You're there to protect us and not show your force on us. I am here.
Not taking any question on RA colony today because Supreme Court has given order.
What were we doing? We were just talking to people there. So if the state is going to flex their muscles and put all of us, how many people can they put behind bars? And for what? For standing up for trees that are being cut in the night? They are cutting 7 trees per minute using chainsaws. I myself personally saw last night trees which were more than 30 to 35 inches in diameter, which were cut using chainsaws, because we were more than 1,000 people who had accumulated from all parts of the city, who had come in the night to RA. People were in RA till 3 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. Thank you. Sorry, but my name is Cassandra Nazareth, and the police have just come and shut us down. They've told us we can't talk. We can go on the road and talk. Thank you.
I'm sorry, this is very important, so you have to record it, because we were walking and the last few of us, the ones who sat first, they shut the door and they're like, Gyana naku jao dia. Okay, yeah, of course, how can I forget? They put us in the van 2 times, okay, I completely forgot that. And then when people were there and they were just holding the vehicle, they're like, okay, jane do. I think they were also not sure what they're doing. But they were pulling and they were threatening. So then we got out, and then Sanjeev called. Then he came and I was just standing on the side. And then they pulled us, and then that, I don't know which IPS officer it was. I'm guessing he's the yahan ka zone ka hoga, I don't know. I could see that he was ready to smash Sanjeev's head on the side of the bus, because they were forcing us into the police van. They managed to separate us out and put us in different
I
police
caught
vans.
his lathi just in time. He was about to smash my head. I caught it that time, and somebody has pulled my shirt, tore it. Somebody has pulled my hair. I fought back. They were not so strong. They had numbers, nothing else. But you know, they were so brutal, and I was asking them, why are you arresting me? What did I do? I have not trespassed anywhere. I have not gone anywhere.
He wasn't even inside.
I
He
wasn't even inside. 5 minutes into the main road in RA, they caught. Okay, they caught me, were pulling me, trying to hit me, and I caught all the lathis that were coming my way. And these guys, they were so unfit. I mean, forget about that. That's the only reason why I'm still alive. If they were really fit, they could have hammered me to death.
Show it to other things. Yeah, push it this side.
I was like, seriously, we are here for the silent. We are here for the silent protest, na? जबरदस्ती घसीट के निकाला है. एक जन को जबरदस्ती घसीट के निकाला है. फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गया था वो.
So what you can do a lot. Everybody voted? Yes. Everybody knows their elected representatives? Yes. Can you all tweet to them? Yes. Can you all write emails? Yes. Can you all write physical letters? Yes. There's your answer. That is how you build pressure. Yes. Yes. Agree? Yes. That is how you build pressure. You continue to write, you continue to tweet, you continue to email, and you continue to come.